Hey everybody, I'm Jamil, Mr. Cabinet Care, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install your soft close cabinets in just a few simple steps. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so to install the drawer, it's very simple as well. First thing you want to do is go ahead and these railings move, so you want to make sure that they're all the way outward, just like that. Then what you want to do is go ahead and grab your drawer. You want to line it up. You want to make sure that everything's all good. And then you want to get down below, take a peek at where your drawer is currently. While you're down there, you want to grab that track that we talked about earlier, and you want to just slide it right into place through that orange tip. Go ahead and close the drawer, make sure it soft closes, pull it all the way out, make sure it's held in place good. And that just about wraps it up, guys. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys have any questions at all, seriously drop a comment. We'd be happy to help and happy to help you guys with anything else you need. So thank you guys again for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.